This is the first product we're going to be talking about. If you are not yet subscribed, we're going to be doing amazing things. And I love when you guys stay with me and just literally keep my company, especially when I have a lot to do. So now is a good time for me to interact with you guys because I do love to interact with you. I am not a robot. I do not wish to be a robot. I would love to communicate with my people and build a really awesome community where you guys can ask questions. Don't feel timid because I'm here to answer and to, give feedback where I can. So, like I was saying, I do have 4C here. And how did the chicken? Oh, Lord, the chicken was awesome. Quick, very quick and fast. So if you guys don't know what we're talking about, on our last live, we were cooking and I was doing 3 wigs at once. That video was uploaded and posted, so you all can go and see. I also posted the install. So that ombre blonde, that video is on my page now. You can see how it turned out. It was amazing. And as soon as I took the wig off, I couldn't even wash it or anything. I had to just take it off, put it back in the bag, and go tuck it into the suitcase. That's how much time we had. And so that was an amazing live. Thank you guys for being amazing, for talking, interacting, and this is where we do all of that, where I can be me and you can be you, and hopefully we can learn from each other and learn something. So as in the description, as promised, let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. So if you have hair like mine, maybe softer, maybe thicker, maybe longer, or even if you are not of African descent and you have straight hair, other type of curly hair, this product, or not necessarily this exact product, but any of these dry shampoos is gonna work for what we're gonna be talking about. So the first step, since we're gonna be washing, I'm just using the opportunity to just introduce these to you. So I'm going to be washing, but I'm also going to share with you what if you were not going to be washing, but your roots are oily, flaky, like my mouth lip that needs some form of moisturizer. Damn, look. Need to go put something on that. If it's even some Vaseline, yo. This weather is not joking, y'all. Where are you from? Where's everybody from? This weather is not joking with nobody. And I have this terrible thing that as soon as the temperature falls, I get blisters all over my mouth. No matter what, I never get used to that part. So let's take a look at the roots. I did the wig install, so a lot of products and residue will stay back in your hair. Lots of products and residue. Also, if you wear your hair braided, if you go to the gym and you sweat, grease and other products will get trapped in your hair, especially if you have curly hair. Unlike straight hair, the grease will slide down all the way, but when you have curly hair or kinky hair, because of your curl pattern, the grease doesn't travel all the way down to the end, and that is why we have drier ends, because the grease, the natural oil from your scalp, doesn't travel all the way down easily because of the curl pattern and the coil that we have. So here's what we're gonna do. First product out of the box. All right. If you're a guy too and you grow your hair, this is going to work for you as well. So this is a dry shampoo. What a dry shampoo does is, in between those days that you do not wash your hair or it's not convenient for you to do so, it's a quick way to revive and repair your hair. That's what the description on this Dove shampoo. Hair therapy, refresh and care, creates volume and also absorb the oil to refresh hair gently, leaves it clean, nourished and soft between your washes. So if you are on the go, if you're on a trip and you can't or you are not going to be doing the washing, this is a quick way. So what you do, you spray it in. Yep. So especially for us when we're doing the wig styling, you left a lot of residue, but you want to have it lift all the grease out of your scalp. So once you put it on, you're going to brush it out. Let it stay for a little bit. Yeah, and they also have some more. So especially persons who are doing a lot of wig installs and you do not have a time when this temperature falls, you do not have that time. You can see where it's starting. You can see where it's getting a little bit cleaner here as to over here. So it's lifting the grease off of the scalp. And when it does that, you're going to get a comb. You're going to comb through it. Yeah. Even if you do not find a Dove, you can use another one. But I tend to use this because when I use that Gots to Be and all of those sprays, even though you have a wig cap on the head, it still leaves buildup from the sprays, the edge control and all of that. And especially for edges, I have little to no edges. Little to no edges because of all these wig installs that I have to do. And not only that, I think my hair follicles are somewhat damaged from younger years where I got perms when I was pretty young, and those perms were not good. Like those chemicals were so strong. And the persons that were doing my hair, my mom, family members, you're in the Caribbean and you're in Jamaica as a kid, you're not going to the hairdresser and all of that. So I got damages to my hair follicles. So my edges are not there, if I must say. They're not there. So that's what's up with it here. So that is what I want to talk about first, but now I'm going to move into washing my hair.